Hey everyone, hope you are doing all well. Today's video is about one thing that literally drove me crazy when I started using n8n, the loop over items. If you ever tried to process multiple items and got completely stuck on how to connect it, when to use it, or why your workflow just stops after one item, then trust me, I was in the same boat. But after hours of testing and research, I finally figured it out. So in this video, I will explain how loop over items actually work in a super easy and visual way, and how you can use it to loop through any list easily. So here is the loop over items. If I delete it, I will show you how you can use it and how you can call it. Press here, write loop over. You will see loop over items split in batches. Click here. The trigger node, we don't currently need trigger node. Okay, so this is the loop over items. And I have already told you that you sometimes you need to process multiple data uh, step by step, but n8n can't handle it directly. So you have to use loop over items. And the most of the time we are unaware that how to use loop over items. So in this video, I will show you, I will tell you how you can use it. So for you guys and for your easiness of your purposes, I will make a raw data and process that data in this loop over items. Let's see if I make a code node and write some data in it. Code node. Okay, fine. And write some data in it like hmm, constant names is equal to, okay, the data I want in it, like let's suppose I write names, uh, Alice. Okay, copy it. Alice. 1 2 3 4 and the 5. We use 5 data for our this workflow and change their names like Alice, Bob. The bracket and return the names are return names dot map map, and we will write items is equal to or greater than, and we will use listen items item and yes, last bracket and end the workflow. Line number 9, what is the issue? Return names map. Yes, it's item. It will work. Alice. Map item. Okay, let's connect it with loop over item. Alice, Bob, Charlie. Fine. Okay, it's working. You have seen I have put the raw data in the code node and process it, and the each data is processed one by one. If I don't use the loop over node and want it to and run it just like this, it will show only the single data like Alice, no other data. It is just sending only the first data which is in the code node. But if I connect it with the loop over item, you will see the each data is processed sequentially like this. In order to furnish the output more properly, we can further add some parameters like set node. Like greeting, GREETING, let's suppose we write hello, 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 with each name. Grab it, paste it here. Okay, and another field like processed. Let's see if it's processed or not. PROCESSED, processed, and let's see, we write OK. And we place the name here as well. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's processing each data successfully. Now let's see if I add another loop over item, not a loop over set node. To confirm it, MESSAGE message. Total 5. Now rerun it. All are processed, total 5. So as you can see, it is checking and telling us that all the data is processed successfully, and we are getting the total 5 output. So guys, we are able to get the desired output, and you in this video you have learned how to connect split loop over items in the workflow and how to properly use it. This was the one of the biggest hurdles I was facing while learning n8n. So I thought to teach you guys in an easy way so you can better understand it and utilize it in your workflow. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to see such videos and want to learn n8n from basics, then subscribe my channel, like my video and share it with your friends.